Imagine a scenario where the boundaries between instinct and nurture blur, a world where, instead of fierce battles, the majestic lion and the powerful tiger share moments of playful camaraderie. In this extraordinary exploration of rare moments in the animal kingdom, we delve into the surprising instances when lions and tigers, traditionally seen as rivals, form unexpected bonds and engage in playful interactions, recorded by wildlife enthusiasts and caretakers at rescue centers and sanctuaries. These heartwarming encounters challenge the long-held belief that natural instincts always drive big cats to compete in conflict. Instead, these moments of shared play suggest that under the influence of a nurturing, controlled environment, even the most formidable predators can learn to coexist and form bonds that defy expectations. In the wild, lions and tigers are both apex predators with powerful instincts honed by millions of years of evolution. Their survival has depended on hunting, territorial disputes, and competitive behavior that drives them to be solitary or highly social in very specific ways. Lions, for instance, are known for their social structure and thrive within the safety and order of a pride, where cooperation is as vital as individual strength. Tigers, on the other hand, are solitary hunters whose secretive and stealthy nature has long been celebrated as a symbol of independence. Yet, when these two big cats are raised side by side in a rescue or rehabilitation center, where their basic needs for food, shelter, and security are met by compassionate caregivers, the environment can begin to reshape their behaviors. In these settings, the relentless drive to survive and dominate gives way to an opportunity for curiosity, gentle interactions, and even playful behaviors that one might never associate with such fierce creatures. Cameras in wildlife rescue centers have captured astonishing footage of lions and tigers interacting in ways that seem almost human. In one memorable clip, a young lioness and a tiger cub can be seen engaging in a spirited game of chase. Their movements graceful and full of joyful abandon. They romp around enclosures with surprising tenderness, chasing one another through lush, green fields, playfully batting at each other with soft paws rather than vicious claws. The initial hesitance that might have marked their first encounters soon gives way to an unspoken understanding, an instinctive recognition that, in the safe confines of a sanctuary, there is no need for competition. Their playful interactions become a symbol of how the force of nurturing can temper even the most deeply ingrained instincts. As these big cats spend more time together, their behaviors begin to evolve. The nurturing environment of the rescue center provides not only physical care but also social enrichment. Caretakers intentionally expose the animals to situations where cooperation and gentle interaction are encouraged. Over time, individual animals that once might have been fiercely territorial begin to exhibit tolerance, curiosity, and even affection toward one another. In one particularly touching sequence, an older lion, scarred by previous fights and the harsh realities of the wild, is observed lying in a sunlit patch of grass while a young tiger gently nudges its head against the lion's flank. There is an undeniable sense of trust and mutual respect in their interaction, a bond that seems to say, "We may come from different worlds, but here, we are united by kindness and the will to simply be." These moments are a powerful reminder that environment plays a crucial role in shaping behavior. When the pressures of survival are alleviated, animals can express a softer side of their nature that rarely sees the light of day in the wild. The phenomenon of cross-species bonding among big cats also opens up intriguing questions about the flexibility of animal instincts. While traditional views hold that lions and tigers are destined to be rivals, competing for territory, resources, and dominance, these rare moments of friendship suggest that instinct is not a fixed, immutable trait. Instead, it appears that under the right conditions, the inherent drive for survival can be modulated by social learning and positive reinforcement. In a controlled setting where conflict is neither necessary nor encouraged, the animals learn that cooperation can lead to mutual benefits, such as increased comfort, shared companionship, and even better chances at healing from injuries. This behavioral plasticity underscores the idea that while nature has designed these creatures to be fearsome hunters, it has also endowed them with the capacity to adapt their behaviors in response to their environment. In the safe haven of a rescue center, where food is plentiful and the threat of danger is minimal, The instinct to fight for survival can be overshadowed by the benefits of forming social bonds. Such interactions have far-reaching implications beyond the immediate world of the animals involved. They challenge our understanding of animal behavior and force us to reconsider the binary narrative of predator versus prey, or rivalry versus cooperation. Instead, these moments of play and friendship highlight a more nuanced spectrum of behavior, one where even apex predators, when given the chance, can display empathy, curiosity, and sociality. This raises compelling questions about the nature of intelligence and emotion in animals. Do lions and tigers, when removed from the harsh pressures of the wild, have the capacity for friendship similar to that seen in domesticated animals? Can nurturing, social environments unlock latent capacities for cooperation in species that are otherwise known for their solitary or competitive behaviors? As these questions are explored, the stories captured in rescue centers become not just isolated incidents but part of a broader dialogue about conservation and animal welfare. The successful integration of lions and tigers in shared environments speaks volumes about the power of compassionate care. It offers a glimpse into what could be possible if we, as humans, are willing to look beyond the traditional narratives of conflict and consider the possibilities of peaceful coexistence. The evidence gathered from these centers shows that with proper training, enrichment, and socialization, animals can overcome their instinctual barriers and form bonds that defy the expectations set by nature. Such revelations have the potential to reshape conservation strategies, emphasizing the importance of creating environments that foster social interaction and emotional well-being among endangered species. Moreover, these extraordinary moments of cross-species friendship serve as a powerful metaphor for broader themes in our own lives. They remind us that differences, however deep-rooted they may seem, can be overcome by understanding, empathy, and care. In a world often divided by competition and conflict, the gentle play of a lioness with a tiger cub stands as a testament to the possibility of harmony. It challenges us to rethink our assumptions about nature, to see not just the raw power of these creatures, but also the quiet strength that lies in compassion and mutual support. The implications extend into the realm of scientific research as well. Ethologists and wildlife biologists are increasingly interested in how environmental factors can shape behavior. The interactions between lions and tigers in rescue settings provide a rare opportunity to study the flexibility of animal instincts in real time. Researchers have noted that when these big cats are exposed to enriched, stress-free environments, their behavior becomes more varied and less predictable. They engage in playful activities that resemble those of social animals, suggesting that the capacity for friendship and cooperation may lie dormant in species that have evolved in highly competitive, survival-driven ecosystems. This research could potentially revolutionize our understanding of animal cognition and social behavior, offering new insights into the evolutionary roots of empathy and cooperation. Furthermore, the cultural impact of these stories cannot be understated. For centuries, lions and tigers have been emblematic of strength, courage, and ferocity, symbols that have dominated art, literature, and folklore across the globe. The image of a lion battling a tiger, or even living in isolation, has long been a staple of myth and legend. However, the emerging narrative of these big cats playing together, forming bonds, and displaying unexpected tenderness challenges these traditional portrayals. It provides a refreshing counterpoint to the often violent depictions of these animals in popular media, offering instead a vision of the natural world where empathy can flourish even among creatures designed for survival. This new narrative has the potential to captivate audiences, inspiring awe and sparking conversations about the true nature of wildlife and the impact of human intervention on animal behavior. In conclusion, the rare moments when lions and tigers engage in playful interaction and form unlikely bonds reveal a side of the animal kingdom that is both heartwarming and profoundly transformative. These encounters underscore the idea that the relentless drive for survival, while dominant in the wild, is not the sole defining characteristic of these majestic creatures. Under the gentle care of a nurturing environment, even the fiercest predators can display a softer, more complex range of behaviors, one that includes curiosity, playfulness, and even friendship. As we witness these extraordinary moments captured on video, we are reminded of the incredible resilience and adaptability of nature. and of the transformative power of compassion and care. These stories not only challenge our long-held assumptions about animal behavior but also inspire us to envision a future where the bonds of friendship can bridge even the most profound differences. Ultimately, in the interplay between instinct and nurture, we find a timeless lesson about the enduring capacity for life to surprise us, a reminder that in the heart of the wild, there is always room for wonder, tenderness, and hope.